Hi everyone, let's go ahead and get started with the read stock data from the Yahoo Finance. So in this we are going to use a Pandas data reader, and then we will be reading stock data directly from the internet so that you can later on use those stock data for your analysis. Although we are not going to use that for the analysis in this lecture, but in the coming sections in this course we will be downloading these data from the internet, and we will be trying to predict the stock market based on the data. So we will be using here a Pandas data reader. For that you need to install first Pandas data reader. That you can write pip install Pandas data reader. Alright, so it's like that. And once this Pandas data reader is installed, then we need to import this Pandas data reader. That you can write here something like that: import Pandas data reader dot data as web, something like that. Then I say here a start date equal to pd dot to date time, and I'm gonna start it for 2022 to from the October 2022, 1st October 2022 to end date. So there I have here end equal to pd dot to date time. Again here I have here 31st October. So for 1 month data I need to download from the internet. So I write here web dot data reader. So this web I imported here. Then I put here web dot data reader. Thereafter you need to get the code of the company for which you want to download the data. All right, so you can say like that: stock market, company's code or something like that. Maybe it's not that. All right, so you see there something like that we might get here. Do we have here? No, we don't have. So let's say you search here the Tesla share. All right, for a Tesla share, now you see there it is TSLA. For Apple it is AAPL. For Google it is GOOG and something like that, INFY. Let's say we want to download for a Tesla. So what happens here? You can simply write here the short notation of the stock for which you want to download. So I write here TSLA, and here I'm going to write the source from where we are going to download the data, and then I provide here start date and the end date. You need to just run it. Now you see there a data frame is returned here, and starting date was 1st October and last date is here 31st October. All right, perfect. So this the 1st October to the 31st October, you see these stock markets are listed actually in US. So maybe that is why it is also taking here a 30th September as well, depending on the time here. So I say something like that, data is like that, and then you can use this data for your purpose. You can do like a describe here for a Tesla in that particular month. So in that particular month, the maximum value for the Tesla was 275 and minimum was 213. So it seems like there was a huge there was a huge gap between high and low for that particular month in the Tesla market, or Tesla share you can say. All right, perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you in next one.